So I'm sure a lot of you have been getting these spams lately with attached zip files from random different people. And sometimes they say your credit card's billed. Sometimes they'll say it's a FedEx shipment that didn't make it to you, whatever. It's the same sort of trick, but they're attaching a zip file usually now because a lot of email servers and clients are filtering attached executable code or JavaScript or whatever. So I don't suggest you do this yourself unless you know what you're doing, but just to appease your curiosity. I know I've taught my family to just delete these emails, but just so you know, if you double click on it, you open a zip file. If you have zip installed, it's really not going to run anything. It's just going to run the zip, but you'll notice that there's a JS, which is a JavaScript file inside there. Sometimes you might see a com or an exe or something like that, which are all executables. You need to just delete all these things. You need to do anything. But because I'm a programmer, I know that I'm safe to edit this with Notepad, and it's not going to hurt anything. So anyway, you can see that it's just a bunch of code, but what they've done is randomized the variable names and other things like that. But it's just a bunch of crud, really, of stuff that they're doing. But they're trying to create folders here. You can see so certain things they can't get around because this is native keywords in the language, but they're making random characters for variable names and things like this. But and they're using arrays they're calculating the array positions and stuff like this. Anyway, I've gotten to several of these and looked at them all. It's basically the same code with just different numbers, like this is different numbers and stuff. But anyway, this is just to satisfy your curiosity of what they're trying to do. But what this is going to do if you run it, I haven't went through this code because it would just be a waste of my time because to find out exactly what they're doing. But they're basically trying to probably either give you a virus or to implant a Trojan horse so that your machine then just becomes a bot on the internet for them. So anyway, just a little public service announcement to be careful and don't open stuff unless you really know what you're doing. So anyway, that was it. Hope that satisfied anybody's curiosity.